All right, guys, so this is chipped, so I had to take this out. It's actually difficult unless you know what you're doing. I couldn't find a tool that would fit that perfectly, so I grabbed this. This will work. I shoved it in there. It locked in there. And then to grab the blades, I use this. So basically it was like this. So I use this to grab the blades like that. And then this there. And then I moved both of them like that until that got loose and loosened it, and then this popped out. All right, now I can place this in the new one that's not cracked, and then tighten that in there, and that should work perfectly. All right, guys, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Have a great day.